everyone, today we are going to draw some cubes in 1 point perspective. Here I started by drawing the horizon line, and then I would place the vanishing point on top of the horizon line. After that I will draw some parallel lines to the horizon line as to mark the placement of the cubes. After the placement of the cubes, we will now draw the vanishing line to the vanishing point. As you can see, I'm ghosting over the line so as to know the correct direction of the vanishing line as to meet it to the vanishing point, because if the line does not meet exactly to the vanishing point, then you won't get the right perspective, and which is very important. So make sure that before drawing the line you actually go straight over it so you get the correct line to the vanishing point. Now we will join all the points together to create the front plane of the cube. Now we will highlight the edges of the cube and also add dimensions to the cube as to know how it will look or what's the dimension. Make sure that you highlight the edges of your drawing or your object, because it really does make it stand out from the rough sketch or the construction that we have done here. As you can see, after the construction I have highlighted the edges, so the focus goes on to the edges of the boxes, like the boxes we see firsthand and then the construction. So make sure that you highlight the edges. Now we will construct the cubes on the upper side of the horizon line to see how the cubes will look from the upper side of the horizon line. It's the same process as we have done when we place the cubes at the center of the or at the top of the horizon line. Now we will join the vanishing line to the vanishing point just as we did previously, and it's the same construction process again. Now we will be repeating the entire process of the construction at the lower side of the horizon line. Make sure that you utilize your page and draw your cubes or any geometrical shape from different angles, because it will really help you understand how a particular object looks when drawn in different perspective. And don't worry too much if your line overlaps your constructions, because it will happen and it actually makes your sketch looks more natural. So just focus on getting your perspective right and sketch freely. As you can see here, I'm not drawing the line all the way to the vanishing point, because I got the hang of it, like at what angle or at what direction the line is coming from. So once you get the hang of your perspective sketching, you don't have to draw your line all the way to the vanishing point. Just make sure that you get the perspective right. And that's it. That's the 1 point perspective, and it's very easy. So just practice it, go for it, and do share your views in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Bye bye.